What's up everyone, it is Christian from RackNerd back with another video tutorial for you. In today's video, we're gonna walk through how to set up email forwarding in cPanel. This feature is incredibly useful because it allows you to automatically redirect emails from one email address to another. Whether you're managing a team, consolidating inboxes, or just want to forward messages from an old account to a new one, this feature has you covered. Email forwarding is included for free with all RackNerd cPanel shared hosting and reseller hosting plans. So let's dive right in. Before we begin, make sure that you already have a RackNerd cPanel shared or reseller hosting account available and at least one domain and email account created under it. If you don't have hosting yet, definitely check out RackNerd.com for affordable and reliable hosting that comes with everything you need to get started. All right, let's jump into the cPanel dashboard together. Once you've logged into your cPanel, scroll down until you see the email section, then click on forwarders. This is the area where you can manage both individual and domain-wide email forwarding. On the forwarders page, click on Add Forwarder. Here, you'll see a simple form that asks for the email address you're wanting to forward from and the destination email you want to forward to. For example, if someone emails support@yourdomain.com and you want it to go to your personal inbox or another team member's inbox, this is where you would set that up. After entering the source and destination email addresses, go ahead and click on Add Forwarder. Once done, you'll get a confirmation message letting you know that the forwarder has been set up successfully. That's it. Emails sent to your chosen address will now be automatically forwarded to the one you specified. Now, if you want to forward all email addresses on a domain to another domain entirely, cPanel also lets you do that. Let's go back first to the main menu earlier and simply click on Add Domain Forwarder. Tab at the top. Enter your source and destination domains and you're good to go. This is great for redirecting emails during domain transitions or rebranding efforts, but just be aware it applies to all email addresses on that domain. And just like that, you've got email forwarding set up in cPanel. It's simple, efficient, and really helpful for managing emails across different addresses or platforms. If you're already using RackNerd's hosting, this feature is available and ready to go inside of your control panel. And if you're not using RackNerd yet, now is the time to make that switch. Visit RackNerd.com for powerful hosting solutions with full cPanel access and features like this included. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that subscribe button here on RackNerd TV for more videos just like this one. With that said, talk soon.